Leave it. Leave it now. Leave it. Leave it. You've had your goal. Thank you. It's okay. That's backwards. That's backwards.
Hold it. Ryan. Hold it, Ross.
Okay, nothing coming there. Knock on. Scrum. Burton ball.
Lucky James. Head up, buddy. Head up.
Crouch! Get the winger back. Get the winger back. Thank you. Crouch! Bind! Set! Stay bound! Stay bound! Stay bound! Out!
Simon, yours, Simon. Let him out.
Release!
Let him out.
Release!
Unlucky, sir. Unlucky. Try and get it nice and high. Go. Yeah, go. On it.
Touch!
Tom. With him. Get down, John. Benny.
Release! Release!
Here, Frosty.
Let it go. Thank you.
Hold the ball.
That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Release him now. Release him. No. Leave it. Carry on playing it. That's okay. He was there. He released. That's fine. He released. And then went for the ball. Good release. I could see that one.
What do you want to do? Line out more.
Right, time's done. If you tap and kick it half time, if you kick straight on it, you'll have your line out. Half time. Okay, Red, you ready? Yellow, you set?
Behind the kicker. Straight, Aaron. Straight side. Now go to deck, side.
Release now, release him!
Good.
Release.
Jack West. Right, get to deck.
Release him now! That went backwards, that's out! That's fine! That's fine, you can pick it up! Tack down!
Hold.
That was a touch tackle, thank you, touch tackle.
Number 9. On it.
Tack 8 backwards. Tapped. Well done.
Here, Tim.
Touch.
Here.
Touch.
Come over with him.
Touch. Touch.
See him off, Obsy. Go over, Richard, go over.
Stay out the way.
Watch him.
Advantage knock on, Stafford, you still got the advantage. Tackle. You still got the advantage, Stafford, you still got the advantage. Advantage over. Tap! Get down! Thank you! Leave it! It's okay. That's one hand. Tackle! 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 Get back!
Change thing. Take him, Tim, take him. To deck. Hold it. Yeah.
Offside. I saw the red jersey, thought it was one of your players not getting back into an onside position. Well, that's scrum, Stafford ball. My bad, sorry. Okay. Crouch! Bind! Set! Okay.
It's going on your heel.
Stay bound! Stay bound! It's out!
Simon,
Tackle!
John, this way!
Tackle!
No! Go.
Tackle!
Go!
Tackle!
Go, Tim, Tim.
That's okay, you can. Boys, didn't go forward, boys. Okay, we had a knock on here by red. We'll go scrum, Stafford ball. Crouch!
That's it, perfect, just stay there.
Bind! Set! Hold! Wait! It's out! It's fine. Okay, let's go.
Ball's in, guys, ball's in.
Ball's in. Wait! It's out! Touch! Let's come back here, set it up! Touch! Touch! Back here! Let's go here. Back feet! Thank you! Okay, crouch! Bind! Set! Stay bound! Wait! Let's use it now, 9. It's out! Scrum, Bolton ball.
I said it's 11.
That's okay, leave it, thank you. Ah, that's good! Tackle! 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 Tackle!
James, come on.
Hey, tackle! Go!
Let's go! It's surprising how fast he is when he wants to. Keep going, Manny! Keep going, mate! Great try. Yeah! On that! Go!
Touch! Let him go, that was a tap tackle. Thank you.
Hold up!
Stay down. Okay, that was offside.
Okay, right.
Backwards, that's okay.
Aiden's ball, Aiden's ball. Go on, Aiden, have a run, have a run, have a run, have a run. He's nippy, yeah. You're nippy, Aiden. Well done, mate. Well done.